In this video, we will guide you on how to replace your recoil starter on your generator. Begin by removing all the screws that are holding the front panel in place with a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the screw on the knob. Remove the 3 screws. Once the front panel has been removed, take a 10mm socket and remove the 3 bolts. Take the screwdriver and remove the bottom screw. Remove the box for better access to the recoil. Using a socket extender, remove the bolts on the recoil starter. Unclasp the starter grip and remove the knot. Do not toss the grip, as this will be used with the new recoil. Take the new recoil and feed the string through the side panel. Tie a knot and place the grip into place. Place recoil and secure with bolts in place. Place box back in place and secure with bolts and screw. Place all screws back in place for the front panel.